Mainland China is very traditional and conservative, and I'm from Hunan, China. But now I live on a boat and explore the world. I'm free to dance and do anything I like. I like fishing. I really love lobster. And Freya has a big kitchen for me to cook anything.
Hi, I'm Willard, QP's deckhand. I'm the guy behind the scenes making it all happen.
I'm so happy you want to cruise with us on Freya. Now come on everybody, let's go.
Life under quarantine is monotonous. It's eat, drink, and try to be merry, then start all over again, but this time with lobster salad. Now that some of the restrictions have been removed, we decided to go out for lunch. 10 wings, fries, 2 sodas for $7 US. Everything was great until QP sat on a wasp.
It bit my ass right through my shorts.
On our way back to Freya, we towed in a local fisherman. He had been rowing his boat in after a hard day of fishing. And yes, I plan on asking him to take us out next time.
I always try to be young and beautiful. It has been a long time since we were free to go to the beach. Today, I finally got a chance to be a model again. I asked Serena to take some nice pictures for me. Thanks. I had a great day.
They've opened up the beaches, but we still keep a safe distance from others. Music and Lyrics is docked right next to us. Even they kept a good distance away. Hey guys, what's up? Do I smell bad? Exercise is back on the schedule now. During our brisk 2-hour walk with friends, QP found a plant with fruit. Can we eat it? How about this? Can we eat this one? I was hot and tired when we finally found the beach. It was time for me to cool off a bit. I thought about the old man in the sea as I looked out at the fisherman in his skiff. QP was hypnotized by the swells rolling in and breaking over, at least until we walked up close to the blowholes.
Oh, that's another one.
Here's a quick update on the garden. That's right, QP's garden got evicted to the dock. All of these plants survived the trip from New Bern, North Carolina to Luperon, Dominican Republic. As the restrictions slowly lift, we got to have a special day with our next boat neighbors. Chelsea's reopened for breakfast and lunch.
Thank you for spending time with us on Freya. See you next time. Hope you have a wonderful day.